Hey everybody, welcome back to All Bites Matter. Today I'd like to do a shout out from one of my sponsors, Spy Optics. They've sponsored me for many years now, and I just want to throw it out there to give them a little love. They got great glasses, they got fishing glasses, they got every glasses you can think of for men, women, whoever. Hop on spyoptic.com, check them out. Right here I got some monoliths, sports style. I love these for sunny days. They cover around my whole eye so I can see in that water really good. Here's a couple others. Right, we got some old Tourings that I've had for a long time. Another style of monoliths. And then here's some of the cases. There's another pair of monoliths in there, the black color of those. You got hard cases. They got anything you can think of. The Happy lenses, man, they freaking make everything vibrant and stick out and pop. So if you just need some regular sunglasses, they're awesome. Get some. Spyoptic.com. All right, let's get to the main content. I just wanted to talk about where I've been. I'm sorry, I've been gone for quite a while. I haven't posted anything. Unfortunately, YouTube and fishing had to take a back seat. I had some personal things I had to take care of. The one major one that I don't have too much of a problem talking about is my mom. She got really sick, started to get, to need a lot of help. And so I had to do a lot of things in my personal life to be able to accommodate that and let her have a good life before she passed away. So got that taken care of. Slowly coming out of that hill of supporting her, going through and getting all that sorted out. Getting a little bit of fishing in, not much, but starting to get back to kind of the normal side of things. Got some other stuff that I'm really trying to tackle too that's on top of that. It's just how the world is today. So let's get in to what we got going today. Today we're going to be doing the new update on the Mega Live 2 and the Explore series with the newest update that allows you to record and do all the new goodies. We'll go through that, give you some details on what I think. Stick around, let's get into it. I just wanted to say that I think is pretty handy. If you guys can do it, great. But what I have done is took one of my old laptops, and I have it out here. I think you guys have probably seen it in my previous videos. If you got an old laptop, it is so nice, and you can get Wi-Fi or whatever from your shop, your house, or wherever your boat is. It makes it a lot timelier, easier, because you're right here by your units. If you have any problems, you can look it up instantly right there. Obviously, people can use their phones, but it's nice to have the laptop. I can put my SD card in there, get my updates on there, put it on there, and then I got other SD cards, I can do my other units. So it just makes it quicker, and I know it can take some time. And then also while you're just standing here, you can look up stuff, play videos or whatever. Just an idea, throwing it out there to you guys. Okay, let's get into it. I'm gonna get the new update for the Explorer on there, and then we'll do the Mega Live 2. I'm going to kind of go fast through that. If you guys have any questions about how to do that, look at some of my previous videos for updates. It'll walk you through how to do it with the Explorer and the Mega Live 2, any of those. All right, here we go. Let's get it. All right, so on here, I just wanted to show you the actual update that I'm going to be putting on my Explorer series. The reason is there's been a lot of hype about, is it going to crash my unit? Are we going to have issues? There's, with everybody's updates, and that's including Garmin, you got Lowrance, Humminbird, all of them. There's some unsettling feeling when we do those updates. Is my unit going to crash? I'm going to have issues, because it's been a ongoing thing where as we do that, we have issues, or we have something new that we got to work through, or there's a couple quirks, or there's got to be another update to do that. By the way it looks, and I've kind of been sitting back and watching and reading and seeing, it sounds like the update for the Explorer series and the Mega Live 2, it's also for the Apexes and the Solexes, has been pretty good. Not a whole lot of issues. Not saying there isn't any issues, but just from what I've been reading, and which gives you the Wi-Fi over Wi-Fi updates. Who knows how that's going to go? I know that I have a video about issues that I've had, and I bricked one. My first Explorer series, I did for my phone update, and I don't know what it did. They never got back to me, but it bricked it. But they were good. Sent me a new unit, no problem. Pretty awesome. And then Mega Live 2 and Mega Live 1, doing those updates. I really haven't had a whole lot of problems with any of those. Those go on there no problem. It's been mainly with our units. So we'll see what happens. Stick in there. Let's take a look. So here's what we're going to be doing today. Hopefully you guys can see that. The screen's not too bright. Let's get rid of these. Okay, so we're going to be doing a current version 6.090. It was released on April 28th. And the models, affected models, is the Explorer series, pretty much all of them. Let's see, let's scroll down here. I just want to talk about, see, they have all the features on here that's going to come, and it's the screen record thing that I think is going to be super awesome for me that does content. You know, if I got a fish going, I can record it also when I share with my friends. Oops. When I'm fishing, it's going to be super cool because I was a beginning of the year before I got all bound up with things. I was fishing out in some deep water in my home lake and had a giant bass following my bait on Mega Live, and it was just cool to watch. And I was trying to record it on my phone and send it to my friends. You know how hard that is. Rod in one hand, phone in the other. Just to let you know, I have 3 phones in this lake, so I was trying to be careful. But anyways, also, if you just scroll through here, you can read about everything. So make sure you do that. Make sure it also gives you everything that you need to have before you do your update. So once again, you can go back to my other videos where I've updated, and I'll go through the detailed steps of what you need to do to validate that you can do your update. But anyways, I'm going to get this downloaded. We'll get going. Got the old Mega Live 2 updating right now. We're at 51%. Everything's going good. We'll see how it goes. Once we get to 100%, we'll grab the Explorer new update, slap that in, and then we'll get on the water. Explorer series updated. Should be finishing up. This is the screen you get. I did get that whole thing when I first started it. Screen shut off, went black for about 10 seconds. Got me a little scared again, just saying. Anyways, then it popped up, had the progress bar or the circle, and started updating. Once this is done, we'll get out on the water. We'll check it out together. You know, I haven't had time to go do anything with this, and so I'm excited to check it out. All right, we'll see you soon. Out here in my beautiful lake, I also actually, I pull out here. I film a lot of videos out here. Beautiful view of Mount St. Helens and Rainier. But let's get into it here. So out on the water, just did the update. Hopefully you guys can see everything okay. We got, looks like some crappie out there. So from what I know, we should be able to hit the camera button over here. All right, and here's your recording options. So you can set your options. So if you want to do a press and hold on your button over here, you can change those options. You can save last 30 seconds. Let's do the last 30 seconds. And then let's see, so to go in to where your, okay, it just said media saved. We go into the media tool, and there it is. Let's see what it looks like. So as I was sitting here, there it is. That's the recording. So you can see the fish swimming around there. Looks like a carp. And then you go exit out, hit the X on this side, exit out. You can delete it, send it to your phone, export copy, and then you can send it to your SD card and put it on your computer. You can also, I don't have my phone connected right now, but your phone will show up when you hit export. You can rename it, obviously. Just go back here. Hit save, and there you go, you got saved. Okay, also if you go up to settings, save position, right, and then you got save location. So you can have SD cards where you have it automatically saved to the SD card. You can also select this, and when you have your phone connected, it'll auto transfer it to your phone, so you don't have to come back and select it and transfer it to your phone. All right. So since we're back, this is live time right now. Just so you know, you can actually hold this up here and it'll do a screen capture. It's whatever you have selected. Let's do it here. Let's go to press and hold. So these are your options. When you click on that, that's what you select. So start recording in the last 30 seconds. I think that's what I'm going to have. So when I hook a fish, I can select that button, press and hold up here, or press and hold here. It'll save the 30 seconds before when I caught or hooked the fish, and then as I'm fighting it, it'll save that too. You go back. They had other options. So you got your media tool here to get to your saved images or videos. Just to let you know, I believe the Explorer series is the only one that does videos. Don't quote me on that. Then you can also go to, I believe, my data. No, let's see. Learn this together. I thought it was my data. Okay, tools, media. Sorry, tools and media, and there are the two that I did. So once again, you go to your home. I just hit home button and exit out of here. So you go to your home, and then you go to tools. So like it'll come up like this, but you'll go to your tools, and then media. I prefer to do it through here. Just hit the button. It's one step, and then I'm there. But yeah, I'm gonna mess around with it. Maybe catch some fish, utilize it. I'll throw it in the video. Everybody, back in the garage here. Wanted to go over something that I found out as I got off the water and started messing with the new update. So when you go to download the videos or snapshots to your phone, here's how I did it. I'll go to home here just so you guys know. I'll go to my Mega Live. I didn't even need to do that, I don't think. We'll just go to the picture, symbol, go to media tool, and then here they are. You go here, export, copy, transfer to phone, and it tells you to open up your One Boat Network app. So there we go. We open up our One Boat Network app. Okay, I got it open, and then we hit transfer. And I was noticing I'd hit transfer and it wouldn't do anything. So I hit it again, and then finally it go. You'll see a little icon come up here showing your progress. And then on your phone, you'll see it's One Boat Network is downloading. What I found is it takes forever. Holy cow. So I would stop and cancel it. So by doing this, I just hit the X, and then it takes a second, and then it'll say transfer fail and hit confirmed. SD card is way faster from what I noticed. So just throwing that out there. I'm going to get this loaded up to the video, hopefully. Nothing special. Shallow water, dirty water at my lake here. So it was mostly just the catch. And you can see me fighting the fish a little bit. So the Mega Live 2 settings are factory. So when I downloaded the update, I didn't even touch anything. I just started using it. just so you guys can see what it looks like as well. And I got really crappy water quality here, and then plus shallow water, so it's not the best, but it kind of shows you how everything goes. All I did was hit the record, and I have it set up to 30 seconds before and then 2 minutes ahead, I believe it is. And check it out. Okay, I also want to talk about the new Wi-Fi updates. So you go to the new emblem down here that says network and devices, click on that, and then it shows you I have my phone hooked up. I can click forget, and then over here go to Wi-Fi updates. It's going to search for your Wi-Fi network. You select your network and then put in your password, and then it'll connect. Easy as that. And then you go back and you can select search for updates, or it'll automatically search. And then you go from there and download your updates. But until next time, take a kid fishing. It's that time. Get out there, have fun, enjoy the beautiful weather here in Washington State. It's supposed to be like 90 something degrees today, and people that live in the Pacific Northwest know that's freaking hot. We'll catch you on the next one.